This video is going to show you how Autodesk Inventor can be used to create simulations that will project the weight and deflection of roll cages to be used in the high mileage vehicle project. You'll begin by creating a 3D sketch of whatever frame you're going to be using as an IPT file in Autodesk Inventor. Save the IPT file and import it into an assembly model or an IAM in Autodesk Inventor. You will then use the frame generator to wrap your 3D sketch in whatever tubing you decide to use for your car. Once the tubing has been inserted, you'll need to go through and add either miters or notches to each joint in the frame so that when you run the simulation, the program will think that the tubing is connected. Once all the joints on your frame have been notched or mitered, you will begin by creating a new simulation. You will add fixed base points to the bottom of the frame, as well as fixed loads across the top of the halo on your roll cage. Please note that Autodesk Inventor will automatically add the forces of gravity weighing on your car. With the simulation run, you can see that the deflection on this particular frame was about 0.01 of an inch, with 200 pounds of force being placed on the halo. You'll also notice that I've opened up the iProperties windows that will estimate that this frame will weigh about 32 pounds when completed. This animation of the simulation shows how the load is being placed through the frame as the weight is applied. You can tell which areas of the frame will receive the most deflection. In this animation, I've slowed down the video and also exaggerated the deflection to show more movement in the frame. Using Autodesk Inventor to run simulations will allow students to test their frame design to make sure that they meet safety specifications. Not only can they test to make sure their cars are safe, but they can try multiple different designs to try and cut down on weight. Cutting down on weight improves fuel economy and also cuts down on the total cost of the project.